Asslamualikum. Welcome back to my channel Tech at Home. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can create a bookmark and how you can set that bookmark as your desktop icon. So let's begin.
But before that, hit that subscribe button and also that bell icon for the latest updates.
Okay. First you will go to Google Chrome and then you will let's suppose I want to bookmark the tab Google Classroom. Okay, I will click on this three dots on the up right corner and I will press on bookmarks. After pressing bookmark, I will press that bookmark this tab and I will you can set the name. You can set the name and you will press done and the bookmark has been created. If I go to a new tab and I press this bookmark, so I will just continue from there where I left it. Okay. The another way to I want this bookmark as my desktop icon. So what can I do in this case? I can I want separate app for Google Classroom. So in this case I can go to more tools and I will go to here, create shortcut. I will press on this and okay, you can name this Google Classroom. This is fine, and then but don't forget to click this open as window and create. See, it is now we are having a separate app. See, separate app for Google Classroom. When you will click this and see, it will just continue from there. And see, it's just like an app. See, before because on the Google here are some bookmarks, URL bar and so on, but now the fully app has been created. So I can go to my any class and immediately start working. So this was the video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for the latest updates, share this video with your family, friends and relatives, and Allah Hafiz.